Yes, Leo. Stay close. Okay, we stay together.
Yes, it is very big.
Leo, hold my hand.
Okay, Mom. I take a photo.
That is nice.
Look, balloons.
Yes, very colorful.
Walk slowly, Leo.
Okay, Dad. I see many people. Stay with me. So many people.
Yes, be careful.
Do not run. I will not run. It is very big.
Stay close.
I like this. Me too. So funny. Yes, it is fun. Stay here, Leo. Yes, Mom. Stay here. Stay close. Good, Leo.
Do you want ice cream?
Yes, I want one. I am happy. Ah! Be careful. It is so good.
Eat slowly.
Stay near us.
Okay.
I stay here. Good.
We go this way.
Follow me. What is that? Oh. Stay here. A rabbit. Do not go. Leo, stop.
Wait.
I follow it. No, Leo. Where is the lake?
This way.
We go left.
Yes.
Wait for me.
Stay close.
Yes. Leo? Where is Leo? Leo! Leo!
Look around.
I cannot see him.
We find him.
Leo! Where are you? Leo! Rabbit! Wait! Where is the rabbit?
Where am I?
I do not see, Mom. I am alone. Where am I? I do not know this place. Mom! Dad! Mom! Dad! Where are you?
I am scared.
Where is Leo? He was here. Leo! Leo!
Look for him!
I cannot see him.
We find him now.
He went this way. Hurry! Mom? I hear something. Dad! Dad! Where are you? Dad! Where are you? Dad! I am lost. Come here.
This way.
Leo!
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 He is inside. Ho.
Let's go.
I want to go home. Left or right? I do not know. I go this way. Leo is here.
Stay together. Leo.
Leo! Leo! I am tired. I am scared.
I must be strong.
Leo!
Listen.
I hear them. Wait for me!
No one.
Mom. I am alone. I see light. Where am I now? This place is big. I am still alone. Chloe? Mom? I want to go home. Mom. Dad. Who is that?
Mom said, "Be careful." I stay away. What is in my pocket? My whistle. Can I use this? I try. Too soft. I am hungry. It is getting late. I keep going. I find help. Hey! Help me! He did not see me. I am so tired. I must try again. I can do it. I go there. It is quiet here. Maybe someone is here. I wait here. I am very tired. I need to sit.
Hello. Hello, little boy.
Why are you here? I am lost.
Do not be afraid.
Are you kind? I feel scared.
You are safe here.
I cannot find my mom.
We will find her.
I walked too far.
It is okay.
Tell me your name. My name is Leo.
Eat some bread. For me?
Thank you.
You are welcome.
It is good. Eat slowly.
I feel better.
Good.
Do not cry.
Okay.
Where is your family?
In the park. I wait for them.
We go together. Come with me.
Yes. Thank you.
You are safe.
I walk with you. Good boy. Where do we go? To find help. There is a help place. Okay. I am not alone now. Yes, you are not.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Where are we going? To find help. Is this the place? Yes, we ask here. This boy is lost. I will help. What is your name?
My name is Leo.
We make an announcement. Okay. I cannot find Leo. Keep looking. Listen!
I hear it.
That is him!
Let's go!
This way! Run! 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 Hurry! Where is he?
Look there.
Are they here?
They will come.
Mom! Dad! I am here! I missed you. I am sorry. I was alone. It is okay. I am here. Do not run away again. I will not.
Stay close next time.
Yes, Dad.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Thank you for helping him. He is a good boy.
Thank you.
You are safe now.
No more running.
No more running.
We eat now.
Yeah. Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay.
I stay with you. Good. No more rabbits. No more rabbits.
Let's go home.
Yes. I stay close now.
Always.
I learned my lesson. Good boy. I will stay with you. We are together.
Thank you for watching. See you again. Goodbye.